Alright guys, now we are doing hydrogen. So the problem with the hydrogen is the lines are, the intensity is very low, so we are having some trouble. And then when you analyze the data, you need to see which lines you can resolve and which lines you cannot resolve. And you need to comment on that when you analyze the data. And here you can see the central peak, which is pink. That's like the mixture of all the lights in hydrogen spectrum. And then you can see the red line here. I'm trying to focus on the red line, and right next to the red line there is a blue-green line. You can barely see it. I think you can see it. The problem is though, next to the blue-green line there is a indigo, and then next to that there's a violet. The indigo you can barely see, but the violet is very hard to see, especially with the tubes that we have. So we tried several tubes, but none of them are very good. So anyway, so we have already scanned the blue, green, indigo, violet lines, those three lines, and you can see them here. As you can see, we also scanned the red line here, but the red line is saturated because of the gain. So we need to scan the red line with a lower gain so that it doesn't saturate here. This is the central peak. That's the red line.
Again? Jeez.
Yeah, so if you are ready, Doc, so let's go ahead and scan.
Hang on, I banged into it again. Here, hang on. I gotta adjust this. Can you see the red now? Come over here and see the red.
Let me see.
Yeah, can you see if you can still see the red? See red still? I lost it.
Yeah, you lost it.
I banged into it. Darn. Sorry. It's over here somewhere. You see it? Was there? Did something fall?
Okay, now I can barely see it.
I see the. You had the lamp right.
I'm gonna pause the video here. Okay, now we readjusted the position of the light source, so now it's actually looking better. Can we scan the lines now, Doc?
Yeah. Go. Tell me when.
Go ahead.
Okay, scanning.
When you are scanning to the red.
Red's coming up. You see it? Should be coming up.
Okay, we got it. Slowly.
Red. Okay.
And then let's see if you can see the blue-green.
Blue-green's coming up. Give it a second.
Yeah, you could see the blue-green.
See the blue-green?
Go slowly.
I can actually see the indigo with my naked eye. This time. You might see it soon.
I think we saw the indigo, right?
Yeah?
Kinda, yeah.
Little baby one, right?
Mm-hmm. We are not going to see the violet there.
Violet's invisible to me.
I remember I used to be able to see the violet with my naked eye, but the tubes must be better back then.
Or your eyes decayed. Well, we don't want to think about such things.
Well, the computer is not able to see it either, so I'm...
Right.
I think there's something wrong with the new tubes.
Scanning to the right of the central peak. Looking for possibly an indigo coming up soon. I don't know. Problem is, I'm also looking straight at the computer screen in the background.
Yeah, we just saw the indigo, I think. And then blue-green should be...
soon?
Was that the red one? I'll keep scanning.
There's an asymmetry in the diffraction grating, remember?
I guess that was the
red.
That was the red, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, on this side we probably only saw the red and the blue-green.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the other one is probably way too weak.
Yeah, it's too weak.
Yeah.
Okay, so this...
Alright,
okay, yeah.
So now you guys can go ahead and analyze the hydrogen.
Red line.
And I'm gonna stop the data and then rename this data set hydrogen.
Gain 10 or?
Yeah, that's a good idea too.
Or red and blue-green only, something? I don't know.
Red. gain 10. Then we could rename this gain 100.
No, this gain is 10. I
The
don't
last
know.
one.
The gain on that
All right.
electronic gain is 10 right now.
Yeah. And we could put an H here too. All right, and the next one is going to be helium, and then we are going to be done. All right, so I'm stopping the video here.
Stand by. Change it out to the helium.